Two of the greatest cultures, separated geographically, but united through similar deep-rooted core values, come together for the first time to revolutionize the Indian real estate industry. The Sumitomo Corporation, a part of the 400-year-old Sumitomo Group, which embodies the time-honored Japanese heritage of skilled craftsmanship, sublime aesthetics, and strives for perfection. A Fortune 500 company with annual revenues of $40 billion. It has a workforce of 70,000 people in 800 group companies. Spread across an expanse spanning 65 countries, Sumitomo Corporation has successfully delivered world-class projects across Japan and the rest of the world, firmly establishing itself as a global leader in real estate development. The Japanese drive for excellence, complemented with Indian warmth and hospitality, is deeply embedded in the work culture of the Krishna Group. A giant in the Indian automobile industry, the Krishna Group is one of the most respected corporate houses in India. With diversified interests in automotive components, travel, media, entertainment seating, and with a firmly rooted culture of happiness and positivity. The Krishna Group has been awarded the coveted Deming Prize for its principles of excellence, innovation, and commitment to quality. With a history of over 30 years of global partnerships and successful joint ventures, the Krishna Group is truly a world-class organization. When Japanese craftsmanship meets Indian hospitality, we bring from us to you the union of these two powerhouses, here to forever change the Indian real estate industry. Simplicity becomes the ultimate sophistication. KRISUMI, simply sophisticated.